Tired of unreliable compressors? Let's find the perfect one for you. Hi everyone, welcome to our 2024 roundup of the top 5 best PCP air rifle compressors you can buy on Amazon. Whether you're a seasoned airgun enthusiast or just getting started, the right compressor is essential for keeping your gear in peak condition. But here's the twist. One of these compressors has taken the crown as the new one, and we're about to reveal which one it is. So stick around, because we've got all the insights, features, and performance comparisons to help you choose the best option for your needs. Ready? Let's dive in. 5. GX Pump CS4 Portable PC Air Compressor. Other ideas. Kicking off the list is the GX Pump CS4, a 350W powerhouse designed for fast, reliable air fills. Performance delivers 15% faster filling speeds. For example, it can fill a 6.8 L tank to 257 bar in just over 3 hours, keeping exhaust temperatures below 101 DFF. Key features: built-in oil-water separator, automatic double redundancy shutoff for safety, and a versatile design for vertical or horizontal operation. Ease of use comes with a radiator and cooling pump, making it ideal for extended sessions without overheating. Perfect for both beginners and pros, the GX CS4 balances performance, safety, and efficiency in one solid package. 4. GX Pump T2 Portable PCP Air Compressor. The GX Pump C2 is a compact yet powerful option for those looking for versatility and portability. Performance fills from 200 to 300 bars in just 8 minutes, or from 0 to 300 bars in 18 minutes, ideal for smaller tanks. User-friendly design. No water pump or hoses needed, just plug it in and go. It's lightweight and can even run off a car battery, making it perfect for outdoor use. Maintenance. Easy to maintain with occasional greasing of the piston and gearing to keep it running smoothly. For its price and reliability, the C2 is an excellent choice for newcomers and seasoned PCP users alike. 3. Orcair Manual Stop Portable PCP Air Compressor. Air compression using sound or weights to reduce stress. Using sound. Next up, we have the Orcair Manual Stop, a compact compressor that punches above its weight in terms of performance. Performance. Handles smaller PCP tanks effectively, though it requires patience and cooling breaks for larger fills. Features. Runs on a 12-volt motor and includes customization options like better temperature sensors and moisture reduction upgrades. Portability. Perfect for on-the-go users, but keep in mind it's a bit loud. Think jet turbine levels of noise. Despite the noise, the Orcair Manual Stop is a dependable, portable option for those who need flexibility and affordability. 2. GX Pump CS3 PCP Air Compressor. The GX Pump CS3 takes convenience and portability to the next level. Key features: hassle-free, oil-free, and water-free operation. Built-in fans ensure it stays cool, while the auto shutoff feature makes it completely hands-off. Upgrade your setup to unlock the power of your environment with the Rocket Lineup 0G or your choice of performance. Works with both 110B sockets and car batteries, making it perfect for outdoor adventures or range trips. Build quality. Lightweight yet sturdy, with triple-layer packaging and all necessary tools included. This compressor is the perfect balance of power, portability, and ease of use, making it a family-friendly option for airgun enthusiasts. 1. GX Pump CS1-I PCP Air Compressor. Finally, the GX Pump CS1-I claims the top spot as the newest one for 2024. Performance. Efficiently fills a 500cc airgun from 130 to 260 bar in just 10 minutes, with consistent speed and minimal overheating. Durability. Comes with a fan for the converter and handles frequent use, up to 10 fills per week, without breaking a sweat. Customer support. Exceptional service with quick responses and replacement units if needed. If you're tired of unreliable compressors or long trips to filling stations, the GX CS1-I is the ultimate solution. It's reliable, efficient, and backed by outstanding customer support. Final thoughts. And that's it. the top 5 best PCP air rifle compressors of 2024. From the speedy GX Pump CS4 to the versatile GX CS3, and finally, the unbeatable GX CS1-I, each of these compressors offers something unique for airgun enthusiasts. Which one caught your eye? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description to grab the perfect compressor for your needs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.